poor single mom takes child to work, but never expects the billionaire CEO to tear up at daddy. The morning began the way most of her mornings did, before the sun rose, before the city fully breathed, before Hope had a chance to catch up with exhaustion. Her hands shook slightly as she tied her worn shoes, not from cold, but from fear of being late again. The child beside her clutched a faded backpack, eyes still heavy with sleep, unaware that this ordinary walk would quietly collide with a moment powerful enough to change lives forever. She had no idea that by the end of this day, even a billionaire would struggle to hold back tears over a word her child would whisper without knowing its weight. If you believe in kindness, second chances, and the quiet miracles that happen when least expected, please take a moment right now to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps stories like this reach hearts that need them most. She was a single mother not by choice, but by fate. Years earlier, her husband had died suddenly in an accident that shattered her world and left her holding a newborn and an impossible future. Grief had been relentless, but bills were louder. She learned quickly that mourning did not pause rent, hunger, or electricity. So she worked. She cleaned offices at night, folded laundry at dawn, and eventually landed a modest job as a janitorial assistant in one of the city's most prestigious corporate towers. It was not glamorous, but it paid just enough to survive, and survival was her only luxury. That morning, the daycare had called just as she was locking the door. A staff illness, they said, apologetic but firm. No one to watch her child. Missing work was not an option. 3 absences meant termination. She looked down at her child, small hands gripping her coat, trusting her completely. She made the hardest choice she could think of and took the child with her to work, praying no one would notice. The building they entered was all glass and steel, towering over the city like a monument to ambition. Inside, everything smelled of polish and power. The child stared wide-eyed at the marble floors and glowing elevators, whispering questions she answered softly, reminding them again and again to stay quiet. She tucked the child into a small corner of the supply room with crayons and paper, heart racing every time footsteps passed. Every sound felt like a countdown to disaster. The billionaire CEO owned the building, the company, and half the skyline beyond it. He was known for his sharp mind, relentless standards, and emotional distance. To the world, he was success in human form. To his employees, he was respected but unreachable. What no one knew was that behind his tailored suits lived a man carrying a wound time had never healed. Years ago, his wife had left him, taking their infant child with her. A bitter custody battle followed, ending with her disappearance and the child presumed lost. The word father had become a quiet ache he buried beneath numbers, meetings, and silence. That day, he arrived early, seeking solitude before the chaos. As he walked past a hallway rarely used at that hour, he heard the soft scratch of crayon against paper. Curious, irritated at first, he followed the sound. What he saw stopped him cold. A small child sat cross-legged on the floor, coloring carefully, tongue peeking out in concentration. On the page was a drawing, 2 stick figures holding hands beneath a crooked sun. Above them, written in uneven letters, was a single word. Daddy. The CEO felt his chest tighten as if the air had been pulled from the room. His eyes burned. He had not seen that word written by a child in over a decade. He noticed the woman rushing toward him, panic written across her face, apologizing over and over, explaining through tears that she had no choice, that she would leave immediately, that she was sorry. He barely heard her. His gaze was fixed on the drawing, then on the child, who looked up innocently, smiling as if sharing a treasure. The child explained proudly that the drawing was for a daddy who worked very hard and needed cheering up. The woman froze, horrified, afraid of consequences. But the billionaire CEO did something no one expected. He knelt down, slowly, as if afraid the moment might vanish. His hands trembled as he asked about the picture, about the daddy in the drawing. The child spoke with pure honesty, describing a daddy who loved very much even if he was tired, a daddy who came home late, a daddy who was missing sometimes but always in the heart. Something broke open inside the man. Memories flooded back, tiny fingers once wrapped around his own, a laugh he barely remembered, a promise he never got to keep. Tears slipped down his face before he realized it. For the first time in years, he did not wipe them away. The building around them seemed to fade as the woman watched in disbelief. She expected anger, reprimand, dismissal. Instead, she saw a man undone by a child's innocent kindness. He asked her about her life, her struggles, her work. She told him everything because she had nothing left to lose. He listened, truly listened, and with every word, his respect for her grew. He ordered that she would not be fired. Instead, she was promoted to a stable daytime role with benefits. He arranged on-site childcare, not just for her, but for other employees who struggled in silence. He funded scholarships, meal programs, and flexible hours, all inspired by a moment that reminded him of what mattered. But he did not stop there. Over the following weeks, he found himself visiting the childcare room often, drawn by laughter and crayons and a feeling he thought was gone forever. The child greeted him with the same warmth each time, offering drawings, stories, and unfiltered affection. Slowly, carefully, a bond formed. The woman noticed how her child lit up around him, how he softened in their presence. She never asked for more than what she had been given, grateful beyond words. One evening, as the city lights flickered on, the CEO stood by the window holding another drawing. This one showed 3 figures holding hands. Above them was the same word, written more confidently now. Daddy. His tears fell freely this time, not from pain, but from hope. He realized that family was not always found, sometimes it was built, piece by piece, with kindness. Before we reach the ending, please take a moment to comment below with a single word that describes how this story is making you feel right now. Your words matter, and they help this message of compassion spread. Months later, the woman stood stronger than she ever had. Her child thrived in safety and love. And the billionaire CEO, once alone at the top, discovered that wealth meant nothing without connection. He did not replace what was lost, but he found something new, purpose, healing, and a future filled with warmth instead of regret.